Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter like Amul. We will start by selecting the right cream, then move on to the churning process. Next, I'll guide you through washing the butter thoroughly to remove all buttermilk, which is crucial for its shelf life. Finally, we'll discuss salting and proper storage methods to ensure your homemade butter is delicious and lasts well. Let's get started. For the best Amul-style butter, begin with high-quality heavy cream, ideally with a butter fat content of at least 35%. Before churning, make sure your cream is well chilled, between 50 and 60 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use a stand mixer, food processor, or a traditional butter churn. Churn continuously until the cream transforms and you see distinct butter solids separating from the liquid buttermilk. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once your butter has separated, the next critical step is washing. First, drain all the liquid buttermilk from the butter solids. Then, rinse the butter thoroughly with very cold, clean water. As you rinse, gently knead the butter to help expel any remaining buttermilk trapped within. Repeat this washing process several times until the water you drain runs completely clear. This ensures a pure butter flavor and significantly extends its shelf life. The final steps involve salting and proper storage. Add fine-grained salt to your butter, typically 1 to 2% of the butter's weight, for that classic Amul taste. Mix the salt in thoroughly to ensure even distribution throughout the butter. Once salted, you can shape your butter into convenient blocks or logs. Store your freshly made butter in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will remain fresh and delicious for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your homemade butter.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.